Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Welcome back to Santa's Workshop, boys and girls. Today we're talking about something special, a Christmas idea that's called Christmas stocking for men. But let's make it fun for the whole family. We'll call it Christmas stocking for Dad. Now, stockings aren't just for candy canes and little toys. A stocking for Dad can be filled with fun surprises that make him smile on Christmas morning. Think about things Dad loves, maybe warm socks, his favorite treats, or a funny mug. Even something small for his hobby. See, boys and girls, making a Christmas stocking for Dad shows how much you care. It doesn't have to be big or fancy. It just needs to be filled with love. So, if you hear people talking about Christmas stocking for men, you'll know that here at the North Pole, we call it a Christmas stocking for Dad. Ho ho ho! Now don't forget, Christmas is about giving from the heart. Merry Christmas to you, your family, and of course to Dad. Ho ho ho! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.